Wow.
Don't show me. I want to be surprised. I don't even remember what I got.
You sure don't remember what you bought.
Is that bad? Okay, you guys, very fall vibes up in here with my sweater and my fall background. Sorry, I keep looking at it. And my fall leaves candle. Everything is perfection right now. Oh, and most importantly, a pumpkin spice latte. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I am bringing you a huge fall home decor haul, and I cannot wait to share with you everything that I got from Target and from Home Goods / Marshalls and a little bit of Old Navy. So I hope you guys are ready because I am. I'm so excited to decorate for fall. We are a few days in to fall now. The temperature is dropping here in Texas, but not fast enough. Not fast enough. Yeah, let's get started. Okay, so George is in here, by the way, because he's helping me with some of the things. The first place I went to was Old Navy, and this isn't a home decor item, ironically, but it is fall related, and I am so obsessed with these PJs. Okay, so I'm gonna show you first the bottoms. How cute are these pajama bottoms? They have foxes on them. I'm obsessed, and it has a silky bow tie that you can tie right here, right in the middle, and the fox is wearing a hat and a scarf, and I don't know, this just reminded me of fall and I needed to get it. This was $14.99. I believe the matching shirts were sold out already because I didn't see any of them, but I did get just a shirt that I found in a rack right next to it. So I like my stuff pretty big to sleep in, so I got this in an extra large, but this has a fox on it as well. So yeah, but this is in a cream color. They don't really match, but I'm gonna sleep in them, so does it really matter? I don't think so. I mean, it matters that I sleep in cute PJs because that's just who I am. First of all, I forgot I got these. So I got two bags of my favorite gummy bears. The obsession is real with these. I can eat a whole entire bag in one sitting. It is not okay. I don't think it's normal. Yeah, because the serving size is about 8 pieces. 8. That's not possible. You can't just eat 8. I don't like that many sweet stuff, and this just hits the spot when I'm craving something sweet but fruity at the same time. So the first thing, I think I know what this is. This is George's candle, and he picked this out himself. This is Pumpkin Noir by Yankee Candle. We have this tradition ever since we got married that we get one Yankee candle for the year, and it has to be a good one. One that can be burned all year long. So this candle smells really nice. It smells very musky and like cigar-ish.
Cigar-ish?
Yes.
No. You've never
smell it again.
Smelled a cigar before.
Yes, I have, in a candle form.
Yuck.
I swear I have.
No, it's not. It's beautiful. I love it.
You guys, I wish you guys could see. So my candle obsession has transferred onto George. So much that we're gonna go candle shopping tomorrow, right?
What?
Yeah, you told me.
No.
So this was at $12.99 compared at $20. We were at the checkout line, and this one did not have a price on it, so they needed to go find a similar one, and this was $12.99. We were like, we want both. And then this is the matching gravy pourer. Oh my god. Another George purchase. This says fueled by Jesus and coffee. I feel like this is such a blogger-esque mug. I feel like this is very girly, babe.
It's not.
He likes girly things, so
No,
I don't blame
don't.
you. Yes, you do.
I don't like girl things.
Yeah, you do.
I'm a man.
Okay, so this was $3.99 and it's a clear mug. Are you gonna start using it tomorrow?
Maybe.
This is so cute. And it's been staring at me for the past week because I did go shopping for this a week ago. It's like a 3-tiered pumpkin, and there's an orange one and a muted blue one and a cream one with the little stem. And this is by the brand Wellesley Manor Home Collection Harvest. This was originally $19 and I got it for $12.99 at HomeGoods. I'm not so into the Halloween decor, but I am into pumpkins, and anything that doesn't have like that scary creepy feel I don't like, but this is like so cute and so adorable. Next we went to Target, and the dollar spot at Target, you guys, was poppin', and I feel like I got to it very late. I heard that they put out their stuff like beginning of August. I didn't know that, obviously, because I just went last week, but even then I still found some really good stuff. So I saw these as soon as I got there and I thought they were so cute. I think they're pumpkins, right? Like they're meant to be pumpkins, but they have this like gold hardware right here, and they're just candle holders that I'm thinking of buying the smallest size of the Bath & Body Works candles and just popping 1 and 2 in there. I can still use these, especially for Christmas. I can still use these and use them as candle holders. So I'm really happy that I got these two. $3 each. I got a set of 8 little pumpkins in different colors. So this is a very bright orange, and then a white, and the classic fall orange, and the black. And they all have, hold on, let me take one out. And they all have a glitter stem, and I'm so excited for these. Then I saw this, and this is not a cutting board, okay? I thought this was a cute little decor for the kitchen, and it just has a recipe for pumpkin pie. And I mean, what's more fall than pumpkin pie? Yeah, you're right, nothing. And this was only $3 at Target, you guys. This is such an awesome thing to just spruce up your home at a very low budget. Hit up the best Target in your town, because not all Targets are built the same. Next is this set of tea towels, and this says my favorite season is pumpkin spice, and this is the first one, and it has a pumpkin in like a gold twine. Then the next one is just like this plaid orange color, and it's so cute. Everything in this video is so cute, okay? I got this apron, and this was only $5. So it says, "Hello Pumpkin," and it has these polka dots on the pockets. And for $3, I got these appetizer plates, and they are green, and I feel like I can use them for Christmas as well. Like I said, we like to entertain for Thanksgiving and Christmas. If it's just for us, I just like to decorate and go all out. Next is another purchase by George. It's this very fall Bob Marley record, which we don't even own a record player for, but he's so excited to play it that he plans on getting one soon. I mean, we've been planning on getting one for like the longest time, huh? So, I mean, Bob Marley, we are going to get the Andrea Bocelli one and like the Best of Christmas album or something for Christmas. That's gonna be so cool. I'm so excited about that.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. I got this table runner, was $3. I love the lettering and how it's a little bit shiny and neutral, so it can go with anything that you want to put on top of it. And the next thing is this happy fall sign, metallic gold on this wood plaque. I'm pretty sure this is not real wood. I thought of putting this near my Keurig and making a hot chocolate / coffee station. I think it'll look really nice. And the next things are 2 throw pillows. Aren't these so cute? They are so adorable. Okay, this pumpkin is upside down. Okay, I thought that was like a gray, but it's more of a blue. It's still neutral enough to go with any of your already existing home decor. We're only 3. I needed 3, but I only got 2, stupidly. But that's okay. I'm gonna make do with what I got now. And the last thing from the dollar spot. I swear my assistant's about to get kicked out. This little sign that again I think is gonna go on my coffee station that I'm planning on making. This was just $1 and it says my favorite season is pumpkin spice. And the last thing is this throw blanket in a mustard yellow color, which is what I want my living room accent to be. I want it to be very neutral, but I want to add pops of color and fall onto everything, which in this haul, I know you didn't get to see much color, like bright orange and like leafy greens and stuff. That's because I already own a lot of floral from past years. So I have way more home decor awaiting for me in my living room, and I'm so happy that I already got this haul done for you guys that I can already start decorating with everything that I got. So basically what I got this year is like accents to spruce up my previous year's decor. And stay tuned for my home decor apartment tour. And thank you so much for joining me in this video, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye. Say bye, don't be rude.
Bye, everybody.